All right, what's up, guys? It's been a while, I know. I'm sorry. I'm here with Keith, and we're gonna do just a small project on the Subie this morning. I actually have all the parts kind of scattered around the garage, but if you can tell what it is by just looking, I got a new exhaust system. It's the Invidia R400 with the stainless steel with the titanium tips. I like that blue, the blue tip, the burnt tips. I think it's gonna look really good on the Subie. Mainly got this because after all the modifications that I have coming up, I think the muffler deletes are gonna make the car way too loud. I have a lot planned, but this pretty much what this exhaust purchase was for. It is a used system, so I got it off Facebook Marketplace, and I'm really most curious to see if it's gonna be louder than my muffler deletes right now or quieter. What do you think? Because I'm adding these mufflers. The muffler deletes that are on there right now is straight up this without the mufflers, but it's the stock mid-pipe. I think the mid-pipe has a little resonator, but now I'm putting this R400 on with two mufflers. It has this big resonator right here, and I think the pipe is a little bit bigger. I think it's a 3-inch pipe all the way through, and I think the stock one might be 2.5. It might be 3. I have to take a look once we get down there, but so it might be a bigger pipe all the way through. But I don't know. After looking at videos online, I'm thinking my muffler deletes might be a little louder. I might lose a little bit of the crackle.
We'll find out. It might not be as loud, but it will be rich.
You heard it here, folks. It'll be rich. So stay tuned. We're gonna jack the car up. I'm not gonna show you like piece by piece on this one.
Nip and tuck.
So it's done. One side's a little lower, but we'll have to work on that in the next video. But check that out. Looks super good. Definitely better than the other ones. They're still 4-inch tips, same size as the Axleback muffler deletes that I had. Yeah, go ahead and hit it. Oh yeah. Do like a 1 to like 3,000 and then bump it up to 5. Little gargle. I like it.
Me too.
We'll have to do some rolling vids here in a minute, and let me know what you think in the comments. So we got the new Invidia R400 exhaust on the car, installed on the car. We took off my Nameless muffler deletes, and turns out that, you know, the R400 is actually a little bit quieter than just muffler deletes. If any of you out there were wondering what you should run, these were about $250 on Facebook Marketplace, and they sounded really good for just doing an Axleback exhaust. Everything else stock, I mean, besides the intake, but everything else stock exhaust wise sound really good. And I put this R400 on there. It's a catback exhaust. It's obviously got a resonator on there and two smaller mufflers than the stock ones, but they are mufflers, and they did quiet it down a little bit. I'd say with the muffler deletes, I get a lot more pops. I could like kind of do a couple revs and get a little two-step pop going on there. But overall, I think the R400 does sound really good. It's got a little bit of a deeper pitch to it. So I really do like that aspect of it. And ultimately, I needed to put this on here because I plan on doing a lot more to the car, which is gonna make it way too loud if I kept the muffler deletes on there. So this is really just one step further on the build list, checking off the box and getting us ready for a lot more to come. So they'll comment down below if you have any questions. Let me know which one you liked better. I could even put it back, you never know. You know, I'm keeping everything on the table, but stay tuned, a lot more to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and one more peek, and we out.